Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about pointers to arrays in C++. In this example, we will set a pointer to point to an array element and test that it points to the expected value. We will subscript a pointer and see that it produces the expected array element. First, we will define our main function and we will declare an array of 10 ints called AR and initialize it. Let's see how to do it. So first we are going to import IOStream, include IOStream, and using name space std. Now we are going to add our main function and initialize our array, int array 10, value 1, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now we will declare a pointer to int named p and set it to no pointer. So our pointer int pointer p is set to null pointer. So we will know for sure the pointer is not pointing to already using space or use space. And now we will set p to the address of our array element 2 using the AND address of operator to take the address of the array element. So this will be like this. P is set to ampersand and our array name and element 2. We can output the dereference pointer and the value of our array element to see that the pointer is actually pointing to our array element number 2. So we can try this one. Cout and offer the reference pointer. And the value of array element 2 is equal to array 2 and end of line. Here we are going to see if the both are same. Now next we will output element 3 and of pointer and 5 of our array, and to show that pointers can be subscripted like arrays and that pointer subscript notation of 3 will point to the same value as array element 5. Since the address of array element 2 was assigned to the pointer instead of the address of our array element 0, the subscript of the pointer are offset from those of the array. So let's see that. And we can type cout, cout, and we are going to use b3 and b equal to element of our array element 5, and just print the end of line, and at the end return 0. We can run our program and check the results. And here is the output. It shows over here our p pointer points to the array element 2, whose value is 10. Array start from 0. This one is first one is on is location 0, and then 1, index 1, and this is 2. And then over here we are using array subscript with the annotation with the pointer, and it pointing to the element 3, which is equal to the array element 5 because we assigned the address of array element 2 to our pointer. So over here you can see it's 40 both. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.